Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're ready. Power the Voltas AC and make sure the indoor unit shows a steady display, then insert fresh batteries in the remote. Once done, point the remote at the unit within 5 meters, select Cool or Auto mode, and set your preferred starting temperature. Now press the sleep button once to enter sleep setup. This tells the AC to change temperature gradually overnight. You're starting the sleep sequence to balance comfort with energy savings, so continue to the next adjustments. After entering sleep mode, press sleep again to cycle the temperature rise pattern and set the sleep duration. Make sure to use the temp up/down buttons to fine-tune nighttime set points. Many Voltas remotes change by 0.5 degrees or 1 degrees per press, so adjust slowly for comfort. Then set the sleep timer in hours, typically in 1-hour steps, so the AC will follow the program drift until the timer ends. Also check fan speed and swing. Make sure they are at To finish, confirm the sleep icon is visible on both the remote and the indoor unit. This ensures the command registered. Once confirmed, step back. Changes will happen automatically over the programmed hours. If you need to cancel, press sleep again or power the AC off and back on. If the remote is unresponsive, replace batteries first, then point directly at the receiver and try again. Make sure no obstructions block the IR path. And as a last resort cycle, the AC mains power to reset the indoor unit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.